Criminal cases will be registered against private hospitals that refuse treatment to COVID-19 patients, Karnataka Medical Education Minister K. Sudhakar said on Sunday at a press conference at the Vidhana Saudha in Bengaluru. Dr. Sudhakar, who spoke to the media after returning from a surprise visit to Jayanagar General Hospital and Rajiv Gandhi Chest Hospital, responded to the questions regarding private hospitals refusing to treat COVID-19 patients. He said no hospital should refuse to admit patients, and if any hospital is found denying treatment, criminal cases will be registered against them. The state government has come up with 6 different systems for treatment of COVID-19 patients. These are COVID care centers, government medical colleges, private medical college, government hospitals, corporate hospitals and home isolation with proper facilities and according to government guidelines, the minister added. Dr. Sudhakar gave the statistics of 4 metropolitan cities in the county, which including Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bengaluru. The mortality rate of Bengaluru is the lowest at 1.46%. The aim is to increase testing by optimal utilization of capacity, especially in private labs. Once we increase testing, it is natural that the positive cases will also increase, he said, adding that citizens need not panic due to this but should take all precautionary measures. He advised to get tested in the nearest fever clinics as soon as any symptoms like cough, fever, etc. are found. Guidelines regarding home isolation will be released soon, he said. Here are the key things mentioned by the Karnataka leader at the press conference. 1. 400 ambulances to be deployed in Bengaluru, 2 each for every ward. 2. Ili and Sari symptoms patients to consult the nearest fever clinics immediately. 3. Government recommended patients at private hospitals will be provided with insurance under Suvarna Arogya Suraksha Trust. 4. If private hospitals refuse to admit the patients, call 1912 helpline to get assistance. 5. If admitted in a private hospital voluntarily, the treatment cost will be borne by patients as per the rates fixed by government. 6. Government has conducted 6.5 lakh COVID-19 swab testing free of cost. 7. The cost of testing at private labs has been capped at 2,200 rupees. 8. Private hospitals had to allot 2,734 beds, but only 116 beds have been provided. This is a bottleneck and will be addressed soon by Revenue Minister R. Ashoka and CM's Political Secretary Vishwanath, who have been given the charge for this. 9. Conducting more swab testing will be prioritized in the coming days. 10. Mortality rate in Bengaluru is 1.55% and the government is trying to reduce it even more. 11. PPE kits purchased are of international standard approved by the FDA and EMA. 12. Diet chart has been prepared for patients and are getting excellent food.